is Prudence Karemi Mureithi. I'm a second year student at Chuka University, currently taking BCom, that is Bachelor of Commerce, marketing option. And what I'd say about marketing is that it basically involves advertising a product, a service, or probably a company as a whole, yeah, and promoting products. That is basically what marketing involves. And it also involves knowing how goods and services will get to the customers that a company has.
I'm Daniel Kiyo, a Bachelor of Commerce student, Option Management Science at Chuka University. I've been taking Management Science as an option since Management Science helps you to gain knowledge on how to solve problems in a management department or business departments, or in areas like engineering, and also being a management consultant.
Actually, this is not the course that I wanted to take when I was joining campus. And back in high school, I had taken home science because I wanted to do a course that's related to design. But when it came to choosing the careers and the universities, I found myself, the first time I chose interior design, since I thought it will be combined with my geography and my home science, but it was not possible for me to do the course, and it was not even available in the school that I wanted to go to.
I have been motivated by leaders like Bob Corimo, who was the CEO of Safaricom, whereby he was leading Safaricom in a better way, or in a so good way, that made me to aspire to be a manager. Or else I have been also influenced by managers, those who lead university like Nairobi University.
Then someone told me there is a university called Chuka, and it's offering good courses, and I decided, wow, let me give it a try. And once I came here, I found that it's not as difficult as I thought, because I really didn't want to do anything to do with business studies. I wanted to be doing something practical. So finding myself in the Faculty of Business Studies was quite a challenge for me in the first year, but as time goes by, I've realized that it's not hard. I've found myself being familiar with the units, and the course is becoming actually manageable. And what I would say is that if whatever you want to do, maybe you can go for it, but if it's not possible, you can always try something new.
The issue all there a bit that I would like to be a leader, where I will lead my subordinates in the right manner. Therefore, they can ensure the success, all the output of the organization is quite encouraging.
I would like to see myself 5 years from now. As a marketer, I know that it involves interacting a lot with people, and I'm really doing my best to practice being with people most of the time, talking to people, trying to encourage them into doing something, or accepting something, because that is basically what I'm supposed to do as a marketer. That is what I understand right now. But I'll consult with people who have gone ahead of me in the same field, and I'd like to know if really my expectations will be met once I'm in the job market, because I don't know what is expected out there. But I believe that having someone that has been there before me, they're going to explain to me on what is really expected of me.
What I expect about my program is that one day or one time I aspired to be a manager in a certain department, like being a manager or a CEO at Safaricom institution. So that's why I chose to do management science as an option, since I will gain knowledge on how to solve problems under that department. Any other issue or other department where I myself could fit doing management science other than being a manager in a certain institution?
Previously, I've thought that as a marketer or as a marketing student, during the attachment period, I'll be going around with a bag filled with Ditrex soaps and glycerin, going selling to people's houses, but I'm not really sure that is what I want. I'd like to know if there's something else that I can do during that time, or probably even when I'm done with school. How will it be for me as a marketer, and also to know how I'll go about digital marketing, because we are in an evolving world, and I know that digital marketing will take the course more than the physical thing. So I'd like to be enlightened more and understand more on how to do digital marketing, either through social media, mass media, and all other things.